Most big cities have really interesting museums. What do you like? Art? History? Science? Wherever you go, there is probably a museum for you. It's a great way to learn about the place you're visiting. But some museums are very busy, and you need to buy your tickets in advance. You can do this on the museum's website. If the museum does not have a website, then it is not a very busy museum. In this case, you probably want to know if the museum is open. Call them on the phone and say, "What are the opening hours?" Some museums are also free, so ask, "Is there an admission charge?" When you arrive at the museum, go to the ticket office. Here, you can buy tickets or collect tickets that you bought online. Many museums do not allow you to take bags into the museum. They have a locker room where you can store your bag. The staff member at the ticket office will tell you, "Please store your belongings in the lockers provided." Many times, you will get a map with your tickets. If you don't, you can ask, "Is there a map or guidebook available?" Many museums offer audio guides. Nowadays, many audio guides come in multiple languages, so you can probably find it in your language. You can ask, "Do you have an audio guide?" Bigger museums also offer guided tours. You can find this information on the museum's website. Or you can buy a ticket at the ticket office. But remember that guided tours only take place once or twice a day. Now that you have a map of the museum, and you have left your belongings in the locker room, you are ready to walk through the museum. Remember that some museums are very large, and you will need at least 2 hours. Perhaps it is better to choose what you want to see and go directly there. To find your way, you can ask a member of staff. For example, you can say, "Excuse me, how do I get to the Renaissance exhibition?" You will probably get tired before you finish. Most museums have a cafe or even a restaurant. You can spend some time there to relax before you continue. Study the lesson going to a restaurant or cafe to learn some useful phrases. At the end of your time in the museum, you can visit the gift shop. Here, you can buy copies of some of the things you saw in the museum. And You can also buy gifts and souvenirs for friends and family. But remember that if you are flying home, you must fit all of these things in your luggage. Check out the lesson back at the airport to learn more about this. Now, listen to the conversation and answer the questions.